What do the dashboard indicators and instrument clusters signify in the 2019 Toyota 4Runner? They provide crucial information on vehicle performance and alerts, ensuring driver safety and awareness. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: brake system warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, SRS warning light, ABS warning light, cruise control indicator light, slip indicator, four-wheel drive indicator light, low-speed four-wheel drive indicator light, rear differential lock indicator light, center differential lock indicator, multi-terrain select indicator light, smart key system warning, open door warning light, low fuel level warning light, seat belt reminder light, low engine oil pressure warning light, power steering warning light, master warning light, tire pressure warning light, unengaged park warning light, KDSS warning light, automatic running boards indicator light, turn signal indicator, headlight indicator, tail light indicator, headlight high beam indicator, front fog light indicator, security indicator, eco driving indicator light, track off indicator, VSC off indicator, airbag on off indicator, cruise control set indicator, downhill assist control system indicator, A-track indicator, auto LSD indicator, crawl control indicator. Safety precautions: know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.